Hi guys, today we are discussing about how to import your assets into Unity as we discussed previous videos. But in case of this video, we are going to discuss about the character animation, rigging, and movement of characters, a lots of things which is we can say that the models, 3D models of character and of anything. You can download it and you can import it into your game project, into your Unity project. So first of all, you have to do that. You have to go towards on search on Google. But in case of Google, you have a lots of model. As you if you download 3D models, FBX is an extension. As I show you, see, you can see this FBX models. FBX model is a simple model of which is 3D models, and this is the as you see, the extension of a file of XPS. And we also have a 3ds model. It's mean that this is developed into the 3D Max Maya software, and you have a lots of extensions 3ds FBX model. Okay, if you go towards on the free download, in free download we have free 3D models available for download. And if you click on this Turbo Squad, an open source website, you can download a free 3ds models. If I go towards, if you want to a character with the unique animations and a unique rigging, unique animation, so you have to go towards Mixamo. As I use this website also, mixamo.com. Actually, Mixamo is providing you a character rigging, and a lots of animations are available over there, and you can download it, import it in your Unity assets, Unity project panel. If you want to make a lots of application, if you want to make some game, if you want to make a new clothing character, so you can use the Mixamo. Here is a Mixamo website. You can see this is the imagination. It's mean that you are imagine about the character, which type of character do you want, and convert it towards on the create. And you have to create your character with the rigging. And rigging is a skeleton of your actual character. This is if you want a girl, woman, male, any type of character. If you want ant, if you want animals, so you have to do that. You just imagine about the uh, any type of like character, and then create it, and then rig and animate and design. Okay, design used in when you are creating your environment for the Unity 3D, and you are making a gaming environment, so you need to use this. So how can you use it and how can you work on it? Sign up for free as I click on it. And as you see this character and animation, you have to sign in, you have to log in. But I'm not going to log in because I have to make I need to make the ID of like this website. But I just go towards an overview of the character. So as you see, all the characters are there. If you want like this character, and this character, every character, as you see this. Okay, here is a character, here is a character, and you can see this animation over there. And now this is the rigging. Actually, this is the rigging. This is the skeleton, knees and legs, everything. You see this. If I want this character, okay, it's loading, and it shows our of this character. And then we have to apply these animations also. We have a lots of animations also, and we can find this animation to this. And now I put it over the character, and then apply the animations. Here is not clothes, but you need to apply the clothes character. As you see this, all the clothes. And I just move this character like that, and you can rotate it, this character like this. Okay, this is the our character. Okay, this is our body. If you want to work on animation, so here is a 3ds model animation. Here's model animation. All the animation are there. If you want your own animations, you can log in and make your own animations for this website. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand about my topic, and share this video with your friends and families. Okay, Allah Hafiz.